Making Memories Solo, a journey of self-discovery. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that resonates with many of us, making memories solo. This phrase is all about the beauty and significance of experiencing life and creating unforgettable moments on your own. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just expanding your vocabulary, understanding these expressions can add depth to your communication. Let's explore together why making memories solo is a journey worth embracing. Making memories solo combines two key concepts: making memories and solo. To make memories means to experience moments that are so impactful or joyful, they become a cherished part of your life story. Solo, on the other hand, means doing something alone, without the company of others. So, when we put these together, making memories solo refers to the act of experiencing life's moments fully and creating lasting memories by oneself. Solo experiences are vital for personal growth, self-reflection, and independence. Making memories solo encourages you to step out of your comfort zone, make your own decisions, and enjoy your own company. It's about finding joy and fulfillment in your own presence, exploring your interests, and understanding yourself better. These experiences can range from traveling alone to trying a new hobby or simply enjoying a peaceful moment in nature. Making memories solo doesn't have to be complicated or grandiose. It can be as simple as taking a walk in a new park, visiting a museum, or sitting in a cafe with your favorite book. The key is to be present in the moment and open to the experience. Documenting these moments through photos, journaling, or even social media can help solidify these memories and share your journey with others, if you choose. While the idea of doing things alone might seem daunting to some, it's a powerful way to build confidence and self-reliance. Start small and gradually push your boundaries. Remember, making memories solo is a personal journey, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's about creating a story you're excited to tell, filled with moments that made you smile, think, or grow. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the concept of making memories solo. Whether you're an English language learner or a native speaker, integrating this phrase into your vocabulary can enrich your conversations and reflections on personal experiences. Remember, life is a beautiful adventure, and sometimes, taking that adventure solo makes it even more special. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing the memories you make on your own incredible journey.